Take two.
Organ take 2 was successful.
So babe, explain what just happened.
I ran over a deer and his antler got stuck in my tire. Then it blew up and we flipped like 5 times.
And now what you're doing is putting this tiny little bitty tire.
Tyler.
Coming at you soon, bro.
Alright.
Fail.
Should have did it my way.
Your little thing is too small. Gross.
That's what she said. It's too small, gross.
You point something.
time to say goodbye. We got to see Crater Lake.
Blue Crater Lake.
The true blue. What's today?
Monday.
Monday. 2 p.m. on Monday.
About a 25-hour drive home.
25-hour drive home. And we got 2 days to get there. Well, it's been a blast. We enjoyed it very, very much.
Sit for Oregon, take 2.
Oregon take 2 was successful.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Bye. It's like 6 in the morning. I got like maybe an hour of sleep because preggers won't let me rest, because Arik won't let her rest, and if she can't sleep, then I can't sleep.
I just don't want to have a baby in Nevada.
I don't want to have a baby in Nevada either. All these animals out here are suicidal. They just ran right in front of me.
It's been a shitty morning.
I think she's ready. You ready?
As ready as I'm gonna get.
Alright, well, we're actually on the way to the hospital because she's been feeling like this all day, possibly contracting. We have no idea.
Yay!
This is the first time he hears himself.
Okay. You're okay.